Alright, alright. Okay. Do you guys still remember what we have discussed in the previous meeting? Yang terakhir aja. Oh yeah, one more thing. The rule is still the same. You can ask whenever you want to ask, or and also you can interrupt me while I'm talking. Kamu boleh nanti langsung aja nanya, nggak usah tunggu habis dulu. Or you also can, you know, give like your personal thought, pemahaman kamu sendiri tentang ini. Dan juga at the end, any respond, siapapun yang merespon, siapapun yang bertanya, siapapun yang menjawab will get credit, right? I will write the name. If you respond once, kamu akan dapat satu nama. Kalau kamu responnya sampai 10 kali, dan 10 kali nama kamu akan saya catat as well. At the end, it will help you for your to maintain your score. Nanti itu akan membantu untuk memperbaiki atau nggak banyak sih nilainya nanti langsung, tapi akan sangat membantu ketika nanti nilai kamu rendah. Okay, for your participation in the class. Alright, that is all for the introduction. Can anyone read the title?
Title-nya nggak ada, Sir.
Mana, Sir?
Nggak ada ya, nggak nampak ya kali ya. Ada ah, nggak nampak ya?
Ada.
Mana?
Goib, Sir.
Wah,
Ada.
ini macam apa ini? Oke.
Non-press in caption.
Kalian ada pakai Zoom nggak sama guru-guru lain?
Udah. Cuma Bu Susi doang.
Mau Susi doang ya?
Ya.
Kayaknya kita pindah ke Zoom aja lah. Gak enak nanti. Next time lah.
Zoom ada waktunya.
Alright.
Zoom ada waktunya kan, Sir?
Ada memang. Udah kejar-kejar sama waktu. Okay, non-praise in caption. Non-praise in caption.
Ya.
Does anyone know what is non-praise? Apa itu non-praise? Yang tahu
Kata
aja.
benda.
Kata benda, very good. Siapa tuh yang menjawab?
Catherine.
Oh, Catherine. Kata benda, very good. Non-praise itu adalah kata benda. Tapi itu noun bukan? Apa bedanya sama non-praise? Apa beda sama non-praise? What is praise?
Frasa.
Frasa, very good. Praise itu frasa. Noun itu noun, kata benda. Kata benda frasa.
Frasa nomina.
Frasa nomina.
Frasa nomina. That's how you call it in bahasa Indonesia, right?
Ya.
Okay. So it's pretty the same. It's pretty much the same. Nanti agak sama, but there is some different. Okay. So nah, what is that picture about? Gambar apa tuh? Nampak nggak?
Kecelakaan.
Apa dia?
Kecelakaan.
Ya, kecelakaan. Itu merek mobilnya itu Volvo namanya ya. Mobil Volvo. Volvo yang bentuknya itu kayak minivan. Okay. So, I want to write the caption about that picture. Okay. Saya mau tulis caption yang informal tentang gambar tersebut. I want to write a caption, but I have 5 captions that I provided there. Tapi yang benar cuma 1. Yang mana tuh yang benar ya? Di antara 5 itu yang benar cuma 1. Pak Erin?
Bentar.
Oh ya, Sir.
Nah, gimana, Henry? Ada yang tahu? Atau yang sudah pasti salah deh? Apa ya? Kalian? Dulu. B yang benar atau B yang salah? E yang benar atau E yang salah?
Yang betul.
Oh, okay, good. Helen A. Other?
Saya A, Sir, jawabannya.
Amel A. Yang salah ya, Mel?
Enggak, yang benar, Sir.
Oh, yang benar. Oke.
Saya A juga.
Erin
A.
A juga.
Saya A juga.
Dian A juga. Yang lain? Right. So, the correct answer for this is D. Okay. So, the correct answer is D. Ini kata
Hah?
kuncinya.
D, Sir, ya?
D.
D.
Oh,
Dayung. Okay. Kata kuncinya adalah
Apalah nih?
severely damaged, after hit,
Gantung.
severe damage, and severe damage. Nah, severe itu apa artinya apa tuh?
Parah.
Severe. Parah, right? Damage,
Hancur.
hancur.
Kerusakan.
Berarti
Kerusakan.
ya. Dan kerusakan yang parah sekali. So that's what we call severe damage. Nah, parah atau severe is an adjective, so nggak boleh ada ly. We cannot put ly or severe damage, not severely damaged. Okay. Nah, what is the different? What is the different dengan yang B? B kan severe damage juga ya?
Oh, hitnya
pakai ed
Ada
yang B.
id-nya kalau B.
Iya. Pertama ada id-nya, severe damage. Yang
Terus
kedua
hitnya
adalah
ada ed juga.
ya hit. Verb 2-nya apa?
Hit.
Hit juga. Hit juga. Nggak ada hit, right?
Hit.
So it hit and hit. Okay. So itu adalah salah satu bentuk dari noun phrase. Nanti akan kita bahas what is actually noun phrase, right? So this is a noun phrase. Noun phrase. Can anyone read?
A word of group of words that function in a sentence as subject of.
Okay, thank you, Dian. A word or a group of
You're
words
welcome.
that function in a sentence as a subject or object. Okay. Ada yang bisa jelasin?
Jadi noun phrase itu sebuah kata yang berfungsi sebagai objek atau bisa sebagai objek ataupun subjek.
Right. Jadi noun phrase, it's basically not a word, right? Karena word itu nanti akan dibagi, kalau dia ada tambahan s, itu dianggap satu word juga. Nah, group of word, ya kita bahas group of word-nya dulu ya. Guys, can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So group of word artinya more than one. One is one word, two group of word. Okay, three group of word, four group of word. Jadi group of word itu berarti ada beberapa kata. Nah, ini mudahnya seperti ini. Is it too small or not? Is it too small? Okay. What is the yang nomor satu tuh bacanya apa?
The books in the bag.
The book
In the bag.
in
The back.
the bag.
The back.
Is it noun or noun phrase?
Noun phrase.
Kalau satu noun, tapi kalau lebih dari satu, we call it noun phrase.
Noun phrase.
Oh, non phrase.
Is it noun or noun phrase?
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase. Very good. Number 2.
Noun.
noun dong.
Gimana, Karin?
Noun.
Bukan benda.
Noun. Noun or noun phrase?
Noun.
Noun. Why it is noun?
Karena noun-nya cuma satu, Sir. Interesting
Karena
itu kan
noun-nya cuma
adjective.
satu.
Cuma story-nya aja.
Story-nya doang ya.
Iya.
Right. Let's see. Kalau checklist berarti noun phrase. Yes, it is noun phrase.
Apalah.
You know why it is noun phrase? Ada yang bisa jelasin?
Interesting.
Ada yang bisa jelasin why it is noun phrase?
Interest itu masuk apa?
Interesting adjective. Tapi ketika digabung dia jadi the interesting story, dia jadi subjek atau objek. I love the interesting story. Subjeknya siapa?
I.
I.
Oh, ya,
Verbnya love. Objeknya
Interesting story.
the interesting story. Nah, digabung jadi satu, jadi dia noun phrase. Gabungan beberapa kata berfungsi sebagai noun phrase. Gabungan beberapa kata berfungsi sebagai subjek atau berfungsi sebagai objek, walaupun dia bukan noun aja semua. Okay. How about the TV channel? Udah saya checklist.
Ya.
Ini sudah saya checklist.
Noun phrase.
Itu noun phrase.
Okay, the TV channel a noun phrase. How about hater?
Satu. Itu noun.
Hater
Noun.
yang kalau kamu posting dia suka itu ngeyel.
Itu noun.
It is noun or noun phrase?
Noun.
Ellen and Theo? Oh, Theo juga
Noun.
jawab ya. Theo, noun, okay. It's actually noun.
Yeay.
Good. How about it really makes my day? Is it noun, phrase, or not?
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase.
Dian sama Ellen?
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase. Amel?
Noun.
Noun.
Tahu lah.
Right. So it really makes my day. Yang mana noun phrase-nya?
It sama my day.
It mana ada? It itu kan satu noun doang. Really make
Make-nya.
itu
Make.
verb. No, makes verb dong.
My day.
My day. How many words?
2.
2.
2 words. My and
Day.
day. Good. Do's chicken.
Noun.
Noun. Karin, noun. Do's chicken. How many words?
1.
Dua kata. Satu benda nggak dia tuh?
Ya.
Okay. So we call it noun phrase still. How about some people?
Noun phrase.
Noun.
Noun or noun phrase?
Noun.
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase or noun. Okay. Let's see. Noun phrase.
Wih.
The
Yeah.
first law.
Noun.
Noun or noun phrase?
Noun phrase.
Noun
Okay.
phrase.
Yeah. Noun phrase.
Ya.
Iya, mungkin.
The first law.
Apa, Sar?
The first law.
Yeay.
So it is noun phrase. Ada
Apa?
berapa kata tuh?
Ada 3.
2.
Ya. The
First.
first law. So 3 words. Okay. The building of the city.
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase. How many words is that?
5.
The building
Of the
Sorry, sir.
the city. Right? So the building of the city ada 5. Noun phrase. A dangerous holiday.
noun phrase.
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase. How many words is that?
3.
3. 1 a dangerous
First holiday.
holiday. Okay, last but not least, books.
Noun
Noun.
phrase. Noun
Noun
phrase.
phrase or noun?
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase.
Okay,
Noun
now dia bilang noun phrase.
Noun. Apa, Mas?
It's noun or noun phrase? Last call. Noun or noun phrase?
Noun phrase.
Noun.
Noun.
Noun phrase.
Noun. Noun. Noun.
How
Noun.
many word is that?
One.
Noun. Noun. Noun.
No.
Tapi dia ada S-nya.
Ada S di situ.
Noun
Gimana?
phrase.
Noun
Let's
phrase.
see.
Noun
Yes,
phrase.
it is noun
Yes.
phrase.
Ih.
Because it book. Kemudian ada satu huruf lagi namanya S. S itu, ya S. So it's also noun phrase, right? So noun phrase digunakan seperti ini kondisinya. It can be noun, ada modifier. Oke, contoh di sini. The books in the bags. What is the main word? Apa kata atau noun yang akan dijelaskan di situ?
Books.
Books atau bag?
Book.
Ya.
Books kan? Books yang di bag, ya kan? Jadi yang di situ nounnya yang mana?
Books.
Books. Modifiernya
In the bag.
The bag.
the satu. In the bag
In
satu.
the bag satu.
Okay. The interesting story.
Story.
Where is the noun? Noun.
Story.
Story. Very good. Story. Kemudian, what is the modifier?
The interesting story.
The interesting itu modifiernya. Karena the interesting menjelaskan si story. Right. The a dangerous holiday atau the first love, nounnya yang mana?
Love.
The first love, nounnya yang mana?
Love.
Love. Modifiernya?
The first.
The first.
The first.
The first.
Okay. Nah, bisa nggak modifiernya banyak? Bisa aja. Right. Nah, sekarang apa aja yang kalau digabung dia bisa jadi noun phrase? Ada. What is number one?
Noun plus noun.
Noun plus noun. One noun, another noun, combine. Noun phrase. Boom, noun phrase. Okay. Or determiner, please, plus
Noun.
noun. Preposition and of, adjective and noun, gerund, relative pronoun, and past participle. We're going to discuss it one by one ya. Kita akan coba lihat satu persatu. Ande Agus mana ini, telat ini. Okay, so noun plus noun. There is one noun. Kemudian gabung dengan satu noun lagi. Kemudian posisinya sebagai subject or object. We call it noun phrase. Take a look at number one. They go to the police station. They go to the police station to look for their lost daughter. Okay. Where is the subject?
They.
They. Very good. They is the subject. Where is the verb?
Go.
Go. Or go to. Okay,
Go
thank you. Okay. Go to. Okay. Go to. This is verb. Police station. The police station. What is this?
Keterangan tempat.
Keterangan tempat.
Go to the police station. Boleh juga dia keterangan tempat. Karena dia dianggapnya tetap sebagai objek atau keterangan tempat. It's totally fine. Police station itu satu benda atau tidak?
Satu.
Ya.
Satu benda. Okay, how many word is that?
Tiga.
Three.
3 word. The
Police
Police.
station.
police station.
Station.
Police noun or not?
No.
Tiga.
Police.
Yeah.
Police is a noun.
Iya.
Station, is this noun?
Yeah.
Iya.
Yeah.
Stasiun polisi. Kantor polisi, police station. So, station itu kantor, noun. Police is a noun, digabung jadi satu benda. So, police station. We call it noun phrase karena dia terdiri dari beberapa kata.
Kata.
Right? Take a look at the second example. May I borrow your pencil sharpener before the exam start? Subject, what is subject?
I.
I. Verb.
Borrow.
Borrow. Very good. Object.
Pensil.
Your
Pencil.
pencil
Your
sharpener.
pencil
Pencil sharpener.
sharpener. How many words is that?
2. 3.
Dua.
Three. Good. So 3 words. Your
Pencil.
pencil
Sharpener.
sharpener. So because it's 3 words, we call it noun
Press.
phrase. Pencil noun?
Yes.
Yes. Sharpener noun?
Yes.
Ya.
Yes. Noun plus noun become
Phrase.
noun phrase. Very good. Okay. Do you guys understand that part?
Yes.
Yes. Second part. Determiner plus noun. Nah, determiner itu banyak. Oke. Ini ada hanya beberapa contoh. This, that, kemudian your, my, itu juga ada determiner. Okay, all, for, some. Okay, take a look at number 1. This cat is freaking me out. Where's the noun phrase?
The cat.
This cat. Okay, very
This
good.
cat.
This cat. How many words is that?
Dua.
2 words. This cat. The voice is so awesome.
The voice.
Whose voice is that? The voice is so awesome.
The voice.
The voice. How many words is that, Dian?
2.
2. The voice. Dia subject tapi two word. Okay. Number 3. Your house is so clean. Your house is so clean.
Your house. Your house.
Your
house.
Your house.
Your house. Very good. Very good. So it's your house. How many words is that? 2 words. Okay, good. I have tried many times to tell you about my feeling.
My feelings.
My feeling.
Okay, there are 2 noun phrase there. Ada 2 noun phrase-nya. Pertama my feeling, okay. Satu lagi?
Many times.
Many times.
Many times. Very good. Many times.
Times.
How many words is that? Many times?
2.
No, it's 3.
3.
3.
Many
Times.
times. Right? So it's 3. Number 5. You are the first love I will never forget.
First love.
What?
Flop.
The
First love.
The first love. Okay. In the end, all people do is to not give up.
All people.
All people.
All people. So determiner plus noun. All itu determiner, people itu noun. We combine all people become
Non phrase.
noun phrase. Very good. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Yes, good. Next one. Preposition and of. Ini ada 2 ya guys. Ada 2. Dia preposition 1, kemudian ada of 1. Oke. Okay? Saya bedakan karena penggunaannya yang berbeda. The music in my phone is my favorite.
First grade.
Where is the subject?
My
The, mu-
the
Phone.
music.
My phone.
the music.
Phone.
The
My
music
The music.
in my phone.
in my phone. That's the subject, right? The music in my phone. Nah, how many word is that?
5.
5.
Lima.
The music in my phone. 5 word. So which mean that it is noun phrase.
Noun phrase.
Gara-gara si ada preposition apa di situ?
Is
In.
In, ada kata-kata in. The music in my phone. Nah, in, on, at, beside, apa lagi ya? Under, near. So that's what we call preposition. Okay? All right. The building of this city are all the skyscrapers. The building of this city. How many words is that?
5.
5.
Lima.
There are 5 words. Gara-gara apa jadi 5 dia? Gara-gara si
Off.
Buildings.
of.
Of.
Okay, so because of, nounnya adalah building. Digabung dengan of bla 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 bla, it become noun phrase. Class of the year. Class, one noun. Of the year, one preposition. Pakai of the year.
Maksudnya kayak mana,
Jadi,
Sar?
Hah?
Maksudnya kayak mana?
Artinya, of itu menambahkan keterangan kepada si building. Class of the year, dia of the year itu menjelaskan tentang
Kelas.
kelas, right? That's why we call it noun phrase. Tapi dia tetap dianggap satu benda. That's why we call it noun phrase. I will always remember the memories of us. The memories of us. How many words is that?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 words. Pakai of us. Nounnya yang mana di situ? The memories of us. Noun utamanya yang mana?
Memories. The memories.
Memories. Determinernya?
Us.
The memory.
The.
Of us. The juga termasuk. Of us juga termasuk. Okay? Do you have any question?
No.
No, very good. Ada satu aja bilang no, udahlah. Oke. Nah, ini gerund. You know gerund ya? What is gerund?
Gerund itu mensubjekkan objek.
Mensubjekkan objek.
Pakai verb in.
Mensubjekkan verb ya, mensubjekkan verb. Atau menaunkan si verb. Verb in, going. Nah, gerund or not?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Go.
Enggak.
No. So verb in basically is a gerund. Okay?
Okay.
Gerund yang mana yang dipakai di sini? Yang dipakai adalah gerund to show the purpose of the noun. Apa tujuan dari si noun itu? Let's see number 1. Please park your vehicle in the parking area.
This one.
Parking area. Where is the gerund?
Parking.
Parking. Very good. Parking. Area is a noun. Parking area, tujuan si area adalah untuk tempat parkir. That's why it's parking area. Dia jadi noun phrase. Okay. Swimming pool.
Swimming.
The pool yang digunakan untuk swimming. So that's why we call it swimming pool. Jadinya dia noun atau noun phrase?
Noun phrase.
Noun phrase. Nounnya yang mana? Determinernya yang mana?
Swimming pool. Pool.
Pool is?
Swimming pool.
Yang nounnya yang mana di antara swimming pool itu?
Pool.
Pool is a noun. Determinernya?
The
The
swimming.
and swimming. Okay. Do you have any question, though?
Enggak.
No. Ini pinter kali kalian ya. Kayak mana ini? Nggak susah lah kerjaan sir kalau kayak gini. Nah, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun itu it's include who, that, which, where, when. Masih banyak lagi ya. Tapi termasuk yang which is itu relative pronoun namanya. Which is gue itu nggak mau bla bla bla, itu namanya relative pronoun. Oke.
Banyak.
Nah, lihat nih. The little girl that was crying.
Crying.
The little girl that was crying asked me to bring her back to her lost mother. Where is the verb? Verb ya. Where's the verb?
Crying,
Bring.
Is it crying?
bring,
No, come on. Try.
Ask me back.
Ask.
Thank you, Tio and Amel. So, ask adalah verbnya. Oh, crying apa namanya? Noun,
jiren,
noun phrase. Not gerund. No. The little girl that was crying, itu satu orang kan?
yes,
Nggak ada kata kerja di situ, cuma satu orang. The little girl that was crying. In bahasa Indonesia, you can simply translate seperti ini. Anak yang sedang nangis itu bertanya. Anak yang sedang nangis itu bertanya. Kata kerjanya mana?
tanya,
Bertanya. Sedang nangis apa? Hanya keterangan anak yang mana? Anak yang sedang nangis. So the little girl that was crying. Noun-nya yang mana? Noun-nya yang mana? Determinernya yang mana? The little girl that was crying. Noun-nya yang mana?
girl,
Determinernya yang mana?
little girl,
The little itu determiner.
determiner.
Noun-nya?
Girl that was crying,
Girl adalah noun.
girl noun.
That was crying adalah
Kan?
determiner.
Determiner,
Yang dijelaskan di situ siapa?
girl,
The girl. Penjelasannya yang lain itu disebut
si anak lagi nangis.
determiner. Okay? Okay. Next. The question that she offered is quite confusing. The question that she offered is quite confusing. Mana noun phrase?
Wait.
Gimana, Mel? Atau Henry, do you want to try?
Apa sir?
The question that she offered is quite confusing. Mana, where is noun phrase?
The question,
The question that she offered. Karena dia harus pakai relative pronoun, that, who, blah, blah, blah.
Ah,
Right? The question that she offered, it's become noun phrase. Noun-nya yang mana?
Apanya?
Question.
question.
Determinernya adalah selain dari question ini. That
That
she offered. Question yang mana? Question yang dia
dia berikan.
offer. Okay. Good. We meet the person who sit behind you. Where is the noun phrase?
The person who sits behind you.
Very good. The person who sit behind you. The person who sit behind you. Where is the di antara noun phrase ini noun utamanya yang mana?
Person,
Person. Determinernya?
selain itu.
Ya, the termasuk determiner. Who sit behind you termasuk determiner. You guys understand? Very good. Gimana, Richard? Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. If you don't understand, Keep asking, don't worry. I will be here to answer. We meet the person who sit behind you. Okay, good. Past participle itu adalah basically verb 3. Okay. I find the hidden Metallica music on my hard drive. Hide. Okay. Dijadiin verb 3, jadi hidden.
Hidden berarti ya, Sir, kan?
Yeah. Oh, some people it's hidden actually, but don't worry. Itu kayak cuman orang British hidden ya, kalau nggak salah ya. Orang British hidden. Kalau yang American ya hidden aja, mereka nggak terlalu care about the pronunciation. Tapi orang British karena dia yang punya bahasa, they are very choosy about this. So I find the hidden Metallica music on my hard drive. Hidden Metallica, asal katanya dari hide, di verb 3 kan. Jadi penjelasan Metallica yang mana? Metallica yang hidden. Okay. Take a look at number 2. Number 2. Ini lebih mudah. It's pretty easier to understand. They combine the requested story all together. What is noun phrase?
The requested story.
The requested story. Okay. Requestnya di verb 3 kan. The requested story. What is the noun? Noun. Story. Story is the noun. Kemudian determinernya sih?
The request.
Requested. The-nya juga termasuk. The requested juga termasuk. Oke? Okay? So far, do you guys?
Combine.
Past participle itu verb 3.
Yang combine sama requested.
Ya. Yeah. Combine. Enggak, combine-nya enggak. Combine itu verbnya. Requested story. Requested-nya itu adalah noun phrase. Oke? Okay? Alright, do you guys understand this?
Sedikit.
Okay. Let's do this exercise. Do we still have time?
Udah habis.
Udah habis ya?
Ellen aja coba alilin.
Mantap.
Okay. Let's see this exercise. Plots before hitting one of the pillar. The accident happened at 11:15 p.m. and according to the witnesses, the vehicle were involved in the crash. Noun phrase-nya adalah one of the pillar. One of the pillar itu adalah noun phrase kan? One of the pillar adalah noun phrase. Noun-nya adalah pillar. Modifier-nya adalah
One of the.
one of. Kemudian s-nya juga. Oke. Okay. Ketika diganti dia pronoun-nya menjadi it. Nah, two vehicles. Apa noun-nya? Head word-nya apa? Vehicle. Modifier-nya apa? Two. Kemudian s.
But in the crash.
Two vehicles. S-nya ini tidak termasuk modifier. Nah, kalau diganti to vehicle jadi pronoun, jadinya apa? Vehicle jadi noun. Kalau I sama umpamanya I diganti menjadi Sir Mul diganti jadi noun menjadi he kan?
Ya.
Nah, kalau Sir Mul in the class diganti jadi pronoun jadinya apa? He juga kan? Ya, dia juga he juga kan? Oke. Okay. Yeah. Sekarang umpamanya two Sir Mul in the class for example. Two Sir Mul in the class for example. Just for example, I know it's a silly example. Two Sir Mul in the class diganti pronounnya jadi apa? Sermul di dalam kelas berarti they
in the class.
they are in the class. Berarti
They are
they
in the-
kan.
Yeah.
Kalau to vehicle diganti menjadi they juga.
They
Ini dia. Contohnya adalah they combine the requested story. Kalau saya bilang they combine it, boleh nggak?
Boleh.
Boleh. They combine her, boleh nggak?
Enggak tahu.
Nggak boleh. So berarti pronounnya apa?
Nah, apanya?
Kalau diganti jadi pronoun jadinya apa?
The request
They
it.
combine. The
Combine
requested
the
story
request.
itu diganti jadi pronoun jadinya apa?
The request it.
It, ya udah, jadinya it doang. Oke?
They combine.
Oke. They combine it udah bisa. Kalau memang mau diganti ya pronounnya. But don't worry, we're going to talk about this later on again. This is the end of our class. We have a limited time. The other teacher are waiting outside. So far, yang pronoun itu nggak usah dipikirkan dulu. So far, kamu udah paham yang ini dulu. Noun plus noun, determiner noun, preposition and of, adjective noun, gerund, relative, and past participle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have you guys signed it in my Google Classroom?
As.
Ya.
Yeah, I will be sending the material there. Just wait. Ada exercise-nya juga. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So since we are rushing with the time, thank you for your participations. Ada udah 17 ya, tadi kok kurang orangnya. Okay, I want you guys to turn on your camera, so I will have an initial attendance list checking.
Umat.
Oke, Richard, hidupkan kameranya. Tio, Andre, Bintang.
Wajib, sir.
Wajib dong.
Masih belum mandi, Cak Dan.
Habis
Yang lain
jogging,
juga belum
Cok.
mandi. Karin, Silvani, Steven, Asen, Vivi, Bintang. Oke. Yang lain nih. Silvani, oke. Karin, Andre, Asen. Oke, kalau memang ini saya capture aja lah. Oke, turn on your camera. 1, 2.
White.
Come on, hurry up, Richard.